Fortunately, it looks like I have a gym buddy. Say hi, Chichi. Hi, everyone. Here she is getting super annoyed at me exercising here where she is trying to get some rest. This is one of her towels. I guess that's why she knows I'm encroaching on her territory. Chichi really does have a main character syndrome. Daddy, can't the baby dog have some peace?
And done. That's it for today. This is me trying to catch my breath a little bit and spending some quality time with Chichi. I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye. God bless you. Have a great day. Chichi is not having it at all.